Want to change your Toshiba Fire TV's input, change channels, or increase or decrease the volume without the remote? Here's how you can do all of it with your Toshiba Fire TV's power button. So the first step is finding the power button of your TV. For most Fire TV models, this will be on the bottom panel, right at the center, where the power LED bump is. You may have to reach back a bit, and you should feel a slight bump. Or you can just flip your TV and look for the power sign. Now that you have found the button, just press it once and it will open the side panel. And you can not only change inputs, but also change its volume or channels and turn it on or off. To cycle between these options, keep pressing the power button. To select the option, let go with your option highlighted, for example the input button, and it will be selected automatically. Now if you want to change to HDMI 1, you'll have to cycle again and come back to it, or else it will just idle out. Same thing goes for the volume, and the volume is increased or decreased by 5 points each time. That's how simply you can control your Fire TV's basic features by using your TV's power button. But if you want a full-fledged remote alternative, then take a look at this short video where I show you how to use your smartphone as a remote. That's all. Hope this helped. I'll see you around.